Have you ever pondered over the question, what is marketing and why is it important? If so, you're not alone. Many struggle with this concept, even those among us who work in the field. At its core, marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or services. In layman's terms, marketing is the process of drawing audiences to a company's offerings through high-quality messaging. It's about delivering standalone value for potential and existing consumers through relevant content. The ultimate goal? To showcase the value of the product, fortify brand loyalty, and ultimately, drive sales. But why is marketing a necessary component during product development, a sales pitch, or retail distribution? That's because marketers are the ones with the most accurate understanding of your consumer persona. They're continually researching, analyzing consumer behavior, conducting focus groups, sending out surveys, examining online shopping habits, and asking this crucial question: where, when, and how does our consumer want to communicate with our business? Now let's delve into the purposes and types of marketing, the 4 P's of marketing, and the difference between marketing and advertising. The purpose of marketing: getting people interested in a company's product or service through market research, analysis, and understanding the ideal customer's interests. Marketing is woven into every aspect of a business, from product development and distribution methods to sales and advertising. The evolution of marketing: from print media to TV and the internet, marketers have conducted campaigns across multiple platforms to optimize success. It started in the 1950s when more than just print media was used to endorse a product. Over the last 70 years, marketers have become increasingly significant in fine-tuning how a business sells a product to consumers. The types of marketing today: internet marketing inspired by an Excedrin product campaign, search engine optimization, SEO, which involves optimizing content on a website so that it appears in search engine results, and blog marketing, no longer exclusive to the individual writer. The types of marketing today are vast and varied. So to sum up, marketing involves a range of strategies to promote a product or service, understanding the consumer and tailoring the product and content to their needs, effectively communicating the product's value, utilizing various marketing tools such as SEO, internet marketing, and blogging. Remember, good marketing is good business.